Hello, dear viewers! Today I will share with you the life and contributions to science of one of the giants in the medical world, Louis Pasteur. Pasteur was a French scientist who lived in the mid-19th century and is considered one of the pioneers of microbiology. Louis Pasteur's life is not just a milestone in the world of science, but also a significant turning point in the quality of human life. He conducted research using a microscope to understand the causes of many diseases of his time. As a result of these studies, he discovered that most diseases are caused by microorganisms. One of Pasteur's most important discoveries is the process he named pasteurization. This process ensures the destruction of harmful microorganisms in milk and other beverages, thus extending the shelf life of foods. Additionally, Pasteur's work on vaccines is revolutionary in the medical world. The discovery of the rabies vaccine, in particular, was considered a major success at that time. Pasteur's work not only revolutionized the medical world, but also had significant impacts on nutrition and hygiene. Thanks to him, we are much more aware of food safety today, and we have vaccines against many diseases. Louis Pasteur is remembered not only for his scientific work, but also for his deep love for humanity. His dedication and sacrifice in the fight against microorganisms have made him unforgettable. Today, many scientists and researchers following in Pasteur's footsteps continue to work to make our world a better place. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content from my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I look forward to your comments. Until next time!